Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to the channel. So in this video we will be discussing the official answer key of the examination that was held on 27th March, that is for ARO and RO posts at the Office of Advocate General in Nainital. So the official answer key is supposed to be out today. However, if you check the site of ukpsc.net.in, then the link for objections has been opened. So based on the answers from that site, I have come up with this video. I am giving this information to you first of all, and those who want to check, they can check and object for the appropriate answers, because I found certain answers that are doubtful. And if you want to wait for the official answer key on the site of ukpsc.gov.in, then also you can do the same. So without further delay, let's begin. So question number 1, rule of law means all persons are equal in the eye of law. Option A is correct. An act of unauthorized entering into another's property is called trespassing. Option B. To enforce the fundamental rights, the court issues writs. Option A. Fundamental rights are contained in the Part 3 of the Constitution. Option B. National Law Day, 26th November. Option D. Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act, 1986. Option A. Disobedience of any judgment, order, etc. of a court amounts to contempt of court. Option B. Devi Dhura fair at Varahi temple is held on the eve of Raksha Bandhan. Option A. Habeas corpus, produce the body. Option A. Sustainable development is a concept of environmental law. Option A. According to census, which of the following districts have shown a negative population growth? Option C. Garhwal and Almora is the answer. 8th Nagar Nigam, Kotdwar is the answer. Option B. Gazetteer of British Garhwal has been written by H.G. Walton. Option A. Ramnagar Legislative Constituency is a part of Garhwal Parliamentary Constituency. Option C. Easternmost district of Uttarakhand, Pithoragarh. Option D. SAR system is a crop rotation system. Option C. Gorkhas invaded Kumaon in 1790. Option D. Now this question number 18 is doubtful, because according to me the option C should be the correct answer. However, the answer key published by UKPSC says that option B is the correct answer. So the students can object if they find the appropriate sources for the same. I think question number 18 is contempt. It is a bit contentious, so you can always go for objection. Next question, Veer Chandra Singh Gadwali, famous for Peshawar Kand. When was this Peshawar Kand? When did this happen? So 1930. Option B is the correct answer. Average land holding in Uttarakhand 0.89. Option D is correct. Next question 21. Unirrigated fertile land is known as Uprao Doyam is the answer given by UKPSC. Option B. Question number 22. How many districts have international boundary? So 5. Option C is correct. Climatic conditions in Kotdwar, Ramnagar, Tanapur region, subtropical. Option B is the correct answer. Then ascending order of the districts according to area, Champawat, Rudraprayag, Bageshwar. Option D is correct. Which officer was given the contract of cutting the trees? So option A, Wilson, is the correct answer. Next question, Katuri's capital was Kartikepur. Option C. Tehri Kingdom merged in 1949. Option D is correct. Fault of thrust line between Lesser Himalayas and Shivalik Range, MBF, that is option C. Next question, match the following. So option D is the correct answer. Next question, Survey of India established in 1788. Option C is correct. Next question, according to census, population density of Uttarakhand 189. Option A is correct. Jiroli is famous for magnesite mining. Option B. Oldest known race, coal. Option D. Nominated member belongs to Anglo-Indian community. Option C. Uttar Pradesh reorganization bill presented in Lok Sabha on 1st August 2000. Prime Minister during the declaration of Uttarakhand state. So the official answer key says Atal Bihari Vajpayee, but I think that the correct answer should be option A, H.D. Devegowda. So if you want to object, then you can also object this question. Next question, where did Beej Badao Andolan start? So it started in Tehri Galwal. Option D is correct. Who said Indian Constitution is a lawyer's paradise? Ivor Jennings. Option A. Chairman of Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, J.B. Kripalani. Option D. Next question, who suggested for DPSP to be included in Constitution? B.N. Rao. Option A is correct. First Chief Election Commissioner, Sukumar Sen. Option B. First King of Chandra Dynasty, Somchand. Option B. Founder of Parmar Dynasty, Kanakpal. Option C. Judicial review in article number 13. Option D is correct. Gram Sabha is mentioned in 243B. Option A is correct. However, I still feel that it should be 243A. So since it was not given, the most appropriate answer would be B. Still, we can object this question. Next question, 0 hour between the time between 0 hour and proceedings is the 0 hour. Between the question hour and the proceedings is 0 hour. Option B is correct. Next question, into what interstate water disputes Article 262, option B. Lok Adalats given legal status by 44th Constitutional Amendment Act, option B. Under which article has the governor has right to be informed by the state cabinet of its decisions? Article 167, option B is correct. Interstate council was set up by Sarkaria Commission. Option C is correct. So which is the right which is available to the foreigners? So all of the above rights is the correct answer. Next question, upper house can be created or abolished in a state by the Parliament of India. Option D is correct. PMO given the status of department in 1961. Option B. Uniform Civil Code. Option D. Article 44. Next question, Anti-Defection Act 10th schedule. Option A. Custodian of Consolidated Fund of India, Parliament. Option A. Tenure of Estimates Committee 1 year. Option A. Article dealing with abolition of titles. Article 18, option C. Golden Triangle 14, 1921, option C. Single user operating system DOS, option A. System software compiler, option A. Web page can be viewed with the help of web browser, option B. Article dealing with impeachment of president, option C. Article 61. 280 of the Indian Constitution deals with finance commission, option C. Device that can convert digital to analog signals, option B. Modem. Programming languages Java and C++, so option C 1 and 4 is correct. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB, option C is correct. Non-volatile computer memory ROM, option A. Presentation is made using MS PowerPoint, option C. Brain of the computer CPU, option B. Computer language used to develop static web page, option C HTML. The number of nodes in computer complete binary tree level 563, option D. Unauthorized access into a computer system hacking, option A. Computer is connected to a network, it gets an IP address, option A. Peripheral devices, example is plotter and scanner, option B is the correct answer. 1 and 3. Next question, memory with the lowest access time, registers, option B is the correct answer. Not the basic function of the computer operating system is virus protection, option D. Fastest transmission medium, fiber optic cable, option D. Not related to computer processor, Android, option D. Next question, multi-user operating system, Unix and Windows NT, option B. That is 2 and 4 is correct. Next question, search engine, Google and Bing, option C is correct. 1 and 4. Sugar present in fruits, fructose, option C. Structural part of hemoglobin in our blood, iron, option C. Diamond and graphite are allotropes, option D. Insulator of electricity, silk, option B. Two alike magnetic poles repel each other, option A. Noble gas, neon, option A. Penicillin is an antibiotic, option C. Urine formation takes place in the kidney, option C. Red rust is an algal disease, option B. Not a mosquito-borne disease, sleeping sickness, option B. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell, option D. Quality of petrol depends upon the octane number, option D. Vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness, option A is correct. Standard international unit of light illumination is lux, option C. Battery is used to provide current in a circuit, option B. Most common characteristic between bryophyte and pteridophyte, embryo formation, option C. Normal healthy heart of a human beats 72 times per minute, option B is correct. Tritium is an isotope of hydrogen, option A. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. Morphine is an alkaloid, option D is correct. Jal Jeevan Mission launched in August 2019, option C is correct. Samvad is 2 pointers related to mental health, option B. Samagra Shiksha scheme is associated with school education, option B. Saliva helps in digestion of starch, option B. Retina contains rods and cones, option A. Governor of Punjab Banwar Lal Purohit, option C. Who has been appointed as next Chief of Indian Air Force? Vivek Ram Chaudhary, option D is correct answer. Chairman of National Commission for Minorities Sardar Iqbal Singh Lalpura, option A is correct. BRO has constructed world's highest motorable road in Ladakh, option C is correct. First naval exercise between India and Saudi Arabia, Al Mohad Al Hindi 2021, option A is correct. Central government has decided to establish Indian Institute of Heritage at Noida, option A. Hindi film declared as best Hindi film in 67th National Film Awards, Chichore, option C. The country that has launched world's largest carbon trading market, China, option B. Languages enjoying classical status in India, 6. Navroz is a Parsi New Year, option B. Who's won the third term as PM of Canada, Justin Trudeau, option D. Who's been sworn in as the 17th CM of Gujarat, so Bhupendra Patel, option C is correct. The UT to become 100% organic is Lakshadweep, option D. First president of All India Trade Union Congress, Lala Lajpat Rai, option B. Author of the book Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver, option D. Urjit Patel. Which Special Economic Zone has become green SEZ. Kandla, option B is correct. Bronze medals won by India in Tokyo Olympics 4, option C is correct. Film that won Palme d'Or in Cannes Festival, Titan, option A is correct. Mahasu Dangli Jhali, popular folk dances of Himachal Pradesh, option C. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in javelin throw, option A. State that sponsored women's and men's Indian hockey team, Odisha, option B. Day that has been observed as the Partition Horrors Remembrance Day, 14th August 2021, option D. National Sports Day, 29th August, option D. Dholavira Harappan civilization site that has received UNESCO World Heritage Site tag is located in Punjab, option B. Who's been appointed as reappointed as governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das, option C. Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon in Sarnath, option A. Rock inscription giving an account of the achievements of Kalinga King Kharvela is Hathi Gumfa, option B. Author of Katha Sarit Sagar is Somdev, option A. Books not written by Amir Khusro is Tajul Masir, option C. Akbar's mausoleum is in Sikandara, option B. Commander of East India Company during Battle of Buxar was Hector Munro, option D. Author of Das Kapital, Karl Marx, option C. Buland Darwaza was built by Akbar, option A. Which is not correctly matched. Churchill utilitarianism, option D is correct. Option Question 141, Gol Gumbaz is situated in Bijapur. Option D is the answer. Next question, which is not associated with Panchayat Raj system. Sanathanam Committee, option B is the correct answer. Which of the following is the oldest atomic power station in India? Tarapur, option B is correct. Fall of Bastille was associated with France, option A is correct. Bloodless Revolution or Glorious Revolution took place in England in the year 1688, option C is correct. Who did not contribute to the unification of Italy? So Metternich, option A is correct. Next question, which country did Romanov dynasty associated? Was Romanov dynasty associated with? Option C, Russia is the correct answer. After First World War, peace conference was held in Paris, option B. Battle of Waterloo 1815, option D is correct. Nadir Shah invaded India in 1739, option C is correct. Who's been known as Sakal Uttar Pathnath? So Harshvardhan, option B is correct. Which dynasty did Gautami Putra Saktakarni belong to? Satvahans, option A is correct. Next question, which is incorrectly matched? So Bhitari inscription Pulacation 2 is the incorrect option, and that will be the answer, option C. After killing whom Pushyamitra Shunga found the Shunga dynasty? So Brihadrat, option D is the correct answer. Thomas Munro is associated with land settlement, option A is the correct answer. Next question, chronological order for these events. Option D, that is first Cripps mission, then Wavell plan, then we have cabinet mission and the formation of interim governments. Option D is the correct answer. Darling is a river, option D. Which of the following is a characteristic of tropical rainforest? Rainfall throughout the year, option B is the correct answer. Longest river of China, Yangtze, option A is correct. Which country is known as land of thunderbolt? Bhutan, option D is the correct answer. Far northern island of Japan is Hokkaido, that is option C is correct. Next question, which wind deflects towards the cause of deflection of wind towards left is due to rotation of the earth, option B is correct. Nearest planet to the earth, Venus, option A. Highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Aconcagua, option C. Highest waterfall of the world, Angel Falls, option B. Fishing area of North Sea in Europe is known as Dogger Bank, option D. In the next question, which is correctly matched. So Battle of Chandavar in 1194 AD is the correct answer, option C. Fazenda is known for coffee plantations, option C is the correct answer. Next question, most fertile soil is alluvial soil, option B. Smallest UT of India in terms of area is Lakshadweep, option D. First bullet train project is under construction between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, that is Sabarmati, option A is correct. Oldest mountain range in India is Aravalli, option C. Not an oil refinery, Jamshedpur, option B is correct. According to census, population density of India is 382, option D. Kimor in MP is famous for cement industry, A option is correct. Saputara hill station is in Gujarat, option D. Bandipur tiger reserve is in Karnataka, option B. Sambar Lake in Rajasthan, option A is correct. Gandhi Sagar Dam is a part of Chambal projects, option C is correct. In which year Madras Agency was raised to a status of presidency? In the year 1665, option B is correct. First Mayor's Court was established in 1687 in Madras, option B is correct. Next question, which law provided that Indians should not be barred from holding jobs with the East India Company? So Charter of Act of 1833, option C is correct. Federal structure of India distributing legislative powers between center and provinces was introduced by Government of India Act 1935, option C is correct. System of separate electorates was established by the Act of 1999, option D is correct. Declared purpose of the Waiver Plan 1945 was to give representation to all major communities of India. Option C is correct. Proclamation was issued on 1st August 1672, which fully abolished the Portuguese laws. Option D is correct. Government of India Act 1935 was largely based on B and C. That is, option D is the correct answer. Which charter was called as the germ out of which subsequent Anglo-Indian codes were developed? Charter of 1600. So option A is correct. Next question. First Law Commission of India was constituted under the Charter of 1833. Option C is correct. High Courts of Judicature initially established in India were located in Madras, Bombay and Calcutta. Option C is correct. Chairman of First Law Commission of India, T.B. Macaulay. Option B is correct. Under which Act Second Law Commission of India was appointed? So by the Act of 1853. Option D is correct. Constituent Assembly for framing Constitution was set up in 1946. Option D is correct. Which of the following commissions recommended abolition of diarchy system in provinces? So Simon Commission. Option B is the correct answer. What is the meaning of Latin phrase odi ad alterum partem? Option B, both sides should be heard before a final decision is arrived at, is the correct answer. The word malefied means bad fate. Option C is correct. Ipso facto means by reason of itself. Option B is correct. Next, the Constitution of India was amended in the year 1951. Option B is correct. Mughal Emperor Shah Alam has granted the Diwani of Bengal, Odisha and Bihar to East India Company in exchange of yearly regular payment of 26 lakhs. Option C is correct. Which judicial plan of Lord Cornwallis established a circuit court? So it was established by Judicial Plan of 1790. Option B is the correct answer. So this was based on the question series number D. You can evaluate your particular questions and answers once the official key is out on ukpsc.gov.in. But if you still want to go for objection of certain questions, then you can visit ukpsc.net.in. You can object and you have to pay a sum of ₹50 for each question that you object. The answer key for each question is available on that site. So just log in into that and post your objections, pay the amount of fee, and then you can also take a printout of the same. So this was the official key, and I find a few questions that are doubtful. So let's see what happens if the commission accepts these objections or they reject it. It's up to them. So whatever is your score, please post in the comment section so that we can analyze the cutoff, the expected cutoff that will be released sooner or later. Most probably within a month the result will be out. So all the very best to all of you, and always remember that you can do it, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.